Doing this very easy technique twice daily can lower your blood pressure up to 19/10 millimeters of mercury, according to science. Because if you have kidney disease, keeping your blood pressure in check naturally is the best way to lower your creatinine levels. Katherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. In this video, the 5 best ways to lower blood pressure naturally all kidney patients should be taking advantage of. Hypertension is the worst enemy of your kidneys. It is not just a condition that damages your kidneys. It is literally proven to shorten your lifespan. Even medications are dangerous because while blood pressure pills work, they have a long list of side effects and they are always putting more pressure on the kidneys. The good news is that today we are going to see foods, good habits and remedies that work and have no side effects. They will help you keep blood pressure under control naturally, which is the best thing you can do to lower your creatinine levels. Our number 5 is a technique you can do while sitting on your favorite chair that will greatly help you lower your blood pressure basically with no effort at all. Let's see it! Number 5. Alternate-nostril breathing. This is a pranayama practice to lower blood pressure. It's very easy and effective, and best part, it will keep you relaxed and your blood pressure low for hours. This is actually proven by science. This breathing control technique was tested in a 6-week clinical trial on people suffering from high blood pressure. Participants received antihypertensive drugs for 6 weeks. Half the participants also received pranayama training for 6 weeks. By the end of the study, the pranayama group experienced a significantly lower blood pressure. Many participants didn't need antihypertensive medications at all after learning pranayama. Amazing! Do you want to try it? Sit comfortably, keep your spine straight and relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply. Close your right nostril with right thumb and exhale through the left nostril. Now, keeping the right nostril closed with your thumb, inhale through the left nostril. Now, close the left nostril with ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril while keeping the left nostril closed. Then, exhale through the left nostril while keeping the right nostril closed. This completes 1 round of the blood pressure lowering breathing technique. Do 10 rounds twice daily to relieve high blood pressure. It will only take you minutes and it can lower your creatinine levels. So how much is this gonna lower your blood pressure? Up to 19/10 millimeters of mercury. This effect, according to the study authors, is likely due to the mindful breathing of pranayama. When you concentrate on your breathing, it can help calm your nervous system. This, in turn, may help reduce your stress response and blood pressure. I know that many of you guys follow me from India, where pranayama is more widely used. So let me know if you already knew about this practice or if you're going to try it. Ready for a very tasty recipe now? Number 4 is Sweet Beet smoothie. Okay guys, this is a beetroot based recipe that's going to drop your blood pressure. And not just that, this tasty smoothie can fight high cholesterol, fight anemia, improve blood circulation, and lower your creatinine. While it is great to consume beetroot as a side dish, preparing like I'll show you will truly unleash the healing potential of this superfood. The reason is the nitric content of beetroot. Beetroot contains natural plant nitrates that when mixed with your saliva will turn into nitric oxide, a powerful natural vasodilator. Drinking this smoothie will relax the inner muscles of your blood vessels, lowering your blood pressure and protecting your heart and kidneys. So the idea here is to serve this powerful juice in the breakfast to get a refreshing and healthy change from routine apple and orange juices. How to make it? We need half green apple, possibly organic, washed and with the peel, a large beetroot or 2 small ones, half lemon. If it's organic, just wash it and put it in the blender with the peel. Let's add a couple of ice cubes and our blood pressure lowering smoothie is ready. This is an amazing recipe. The only downside being potassium content. Beets are fairly high in potassium, about 250 milligrams per medium-sized beet. Keep that in mind if you need to limit potassium intake, even if this doesn't mean this recipe cannot be part of a healthy renal diet. So, how much is this going to lower your blood pressure according to science? In a study on CKD patients, those who consume a juice similar to this one every day for 4 weeks had a 10/5 millimeters of mercury reduction in blood pressure, which is incredible. So, let me know if you will try it. Our number 3 is a natural remedy that promises the same benefits of eating beetroot but without the extra potassium of beets. One of the safest and most effective ways in the world to lower your blood pressure. But before that, time for the kidney health tips of the day. Lowering your blood pressure naturally means being able to take less medications. This is a key step toward repairing your kidneys. Here are 5 tips that can help you to do so. Number 1, reduce salt intake. The consumption of salt raises blood pressure. Avoid packaged foods and junk foods. That's where 80% of the salt people consume every day comes from. Number 2, reduce sugar intake. Sugar is the most inflammatory food out there, the worst enemy of our kidneys. Cutting sugar can result in an 8/4 millimeters of mercury drop in blood pressure, according to a study. Number 3, laugh more. Stress is a principal contributor to high blood pressure, and laughter is an excellent antidote for stress. Number 4, eat foods rich in magnesium. Higher magnesium intake is associated with lower blood pressure. Here comes a most unexpected tip. Number 5, avoid using mouthwash. There are new studies claiming that the antiseptic compound found in mouthwash destroys friendly oral bacteria that help produce nitric oxide from dietary nitrates and maintain normal blood pressure levels. So, there will be no point in eating beets if you don't have these friendly bacteria in your mouth. This is why some researchers think mouthwash may do more harm than good. Besides, you can have a good oral hygiene just by brushing and flossing regularly. Now you may ask, if dietary nitrates are so important, why don't we just supplement them? This brings us to our number 3. Number 3, nitric oxide supplements. Nitric oxide is a powerful neurotransmitter that helps blood vessels relax and also improve circulation. It has been proven in many studies to act as a vasodilator, opening and unblocking your blood vessels, thereby supporting balanced blood pressure. But according to a study, the overall production of nitric oxide is decreased in people with chronic kidney disease. This won't just contribute to the risk for cardiovascular events, it can cause kidney damage. Not many people know about this, but nitric oxide is a huge supporter of heart health in your body. Nitric oxide protects against cardiovascular disease, it lowers blood pressure, it improves blood flow. It's part of what makes the smoothie from the previous entry so healthy. And there are various ways you can supplement it, but one of the most used is L-arginine. As a natural dietary supplement, arginine has gained particular attention for its possible heart benefits. What are arginine's heart benefits? In the body, the amino acid arginine changes into nitric oxide, and there's evidence that it may have all the benefits associated with nitric oxide. The most recent research suggests that L-arginine may lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and improve overall blood vessel health. A review of several studies found that adults with high blood pressure who took daily L-arginine supplements lowered their bottom diastolic blood pressure number by about 2 to 3 millimeters of mercury. When it comes to heart health, L-arginine may work better when combined with other vitamins such as vitamins B6 and B12. Arginine can be found for very cheap because it's a supplement marketed for bodybuilders. And while this supplement is still being tested on people with kidney problems, studies on rats showed the kidney benefits scientists were expecting. In one study in particular, diabetic rats given L-arginine had significantly lower excretion of protein. Their GFR was higher and their creatinine was lower. In clinical trials in humans, arginine has been used safely with minor side effects. As usual, consult your doctor if you want to try this supplement. Our number 2 now. This is an extremely powerful heart and kidney tonic. It can lower blood pressure and stimulate the kidneys. Number 2. Hawthorn Berry Extract. For centuries, Hawthorn Berry has been used as an herbal remedy for kidney problems, heart health, and high blood pressure. Today, we know that this berry can reduce fluid buildup, which means it can also improve symptoms of kidney disease. It has basically 2 actions on the body. It's a mild diuretic, so it will help the kidneys get rid of excess sodium and water. But it also acts as a vasodilator, meaning it can relax constricted blood vessels, ultimately lowering blood pressure. Yes, this berry has many benefits. It can lower your blood pressure, it dilates blood vessels, it's a cardioprotector, an antioxidant, and most important, it can help lower creatinine levels. Interestingly, it works even better on those with diabetes. A 16-week study in 79 people with type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure observed that those who took 1.200 milligrams of hawthorn extract daily had greater improvements in blood pressure compared with those in the placebo group. The dosage is 3 to 4 grams a day of hawthorn berries. Now, the problem with these berries is that they're pretty hard to find. Supplements, on the other hand, are relatively cheap and widely available. If you buy a supplement, you are going to want to take the extract equivalent to 3 to 4 grams. This brand, for example, can provide the equivalent of 2.6 grams of berries per capsule. It's one of the most popular on Amazon. Typical doses for the extract are 250 to 500 milligrams, taken 3 times daily. An easy way to protect your heart and to lower your creatinine levels. Okay, be prepared for a tip that will give you instant results, both in terms of lowering your blood pressure and improving kidney health. Number 1, the best natural way to lower blood pressure and protect the kidneys is garlic. Garlic has some amazing properties for people with kidney problems. It can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It can lower blood pressure by up to 9 over 5 millimeters of mercury, more than anti-hypertension drugs. It can even fight high cholesterol levels, and this is proven by science. Garlic could effectively help you get rid of a blood pressure lowering medication, and this is key to lowering creatinine. Now, there's a big problem with garlic, a side effect. It will make your breath smell. But, there's a way to prevent this. Here's how to do it. Prepare raw garlic by chopping it or mincing it like you would normally do. Then mix raw garlic with any form of fat, such as olive oil, before eating it. Olive oil can help the body assimilate the allicin garlic better, thus reducing the odor. To further neutralize the odor of garlic, use parsley. It can eliminate the odor of garlic down to stomach level. And also, eat an apple. A study has found that eating raw apple may help reduce garlic breath. Amazing! And you can even try it in my secret blood pressure lowering smoothie. This is a recipe with incredible creatinine lowering properties. I talk about it in one of my recent videos. I really suggest you to watch it if you have missed it. It's up here. And a new video is coming next Tuesday as usual. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.